Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Weebly website look professional. First, select a clean, modern theme that truly reflects your brand. A responsive design is crucial, ensuring your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Then, customize your theme's colors and fonts to align perfectly with your brand's visual identity, creating a cohesive and polished appearance. Next, focus on your content and layout. Always use high-resolution images and engaging videos that directly support your message. Structure your information with clear headings and concise paragraphs, making it easy for visitors to read and understand. Maintain a consistent layout across every page to provide a seamless and professional browsing experience for your audience. Effective navigation is key to a professional website. Design a simple, intuitive menu, ideally with 5 to 7 main items, to help visitors find what they need quickly. Double-check that all your links are functional and direct users to the correct pages. Also, strategically place clear calls to action to guide your visitors through your site. Finally, reinforce your brand identity. Ensure a consistent brand voice and tone across all written content, reflecting your unique personality. Display your logo prominently and consistently on every page. Remember to regularly review and update your website content and design to keep it fresh, relevant, and looking professional over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.